Hey, what's up? If you're interested in video editing, videography, animation, or making music videos, I think you landed on the right channel. My name's Ty. I'm a freelance video editor, videographer, director, and animator, and I run a separate, mostly hip-hop Vietnamese YouTube channel called Fresh Things Club. That's our logo up there. This right here is my separate tutorial channel. In the past year, I've worked with artists from the United States, France, Cambodia, Vietnam, and I've worked with upcoming artists like Wordy, Loki, the Owens G Crew, Kaz. I've also worked event videography on a film crew for Vietnamese rap queen Suboy, as featured on MTV and 88 Rising. My other channel has about 1,250 subs and has pretty steady growth these days, and we just started that a year ago. I mainly work in Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Animate. So my goal for this channel is how to show you how to do exactly what I'm doing. So here's a little show reel to see what that is and see if I'm legit. And please subscribe if you're interested in video editing, filming, animating, or making music videos. And I hope to see you on another video.
Tell the people what you feel.
Pushing cars, Nicky Barnes was the 70s. Pushing cars, Nicky Barnes was the 70s. Pushing cars, Nicky Barnes was the 70s.
Pushing cars, Nicky Barnes was the 70s.
Pushing cars, Nicky Barnes was the 70s. But there's a long list of high-profile celebrities worldwide on the thorough side of things. Live as kings, some died. One guy, one time, one day grasped me as I'm about to blast heat 47. What you up to? The cops gon' bust you. I was a teen drunk on brew. Stumbled, I wondered if God sent him. Entered the block and looked at us. I ain't flinched when they watched. I took it upstairs, the bathroom mirror. Brushed my hair, staring at a young disciple. I almost gave my life to what the dice do. Yeah, man, throwing them bones. Hoping my ace get his case thrown. His girl ain't wait for him. Seeing the world straight now. Why he looking at centerfolds? A pretty girl showing a little cooch. Gangsters don't die, he's living proof. The DA who tried him was lying. The white dude killed his mother during the case. Hung jury, now the DA is being replaced. Pre-trial hearing is over, it's real for the soldier. Walks in the courtroom, the look in his eyes is wild. Triple homicide, I sit in the back aisle. I wanna crack a smile when I see him. Throw up a fist for black power, cause all we want is his freedom. He grab a court officer's hand and started squeezing. Then he grabbed the judge, screams out, nobody leaving, everybody.
My goal is to make one tutorial video every day, so I hope to see you on some of those. And yeah, please subscribe. I'm a simp for subs. Thanks.
What you think, what you need, damn it. I wake up mang cảm giác như là trên thiên đàng. Đi ngược lối trong đêm tối nhưng cũng không còn ai màng. Giờ tia sáng để cứu rỗi như là ai lệ. What you think, what you need, damn it.